Students, welcome in this YouTube channel. Let's do this question. This is case study based question, and this question is taken from chapter surface areas and volumes. So let's see what is in the question. An ice cream seller used to sell different kinds and different shapes of ice cream, like rectangular shaped, conical shape with one end hemispherical, rectangular shape with one end hemispherical, and rectangular brick, etc. One day a child came to his shop and purchased an ice cream which has the following shape. Ice cream cone as the union of a right circular cone and a hemisphere that has the same circular base as the cone. So here you can see in the figure, this ice cream has a circular this hemisphere at the top, and at the bottom it is a cone. And this cone and hemisphere has the same radii because their base is same, so radius is also same. The height of the cone is 9 centimeter, so height of this cone is 9 centimeter, and radius of its base means radius of this hemisphere as well as cone is 2.5 centimeter. So we will draw this figure in our page also, and let's see what are the questions that are asked here. So here I have drawn this. Height of this cone is 9 centimeter and radius is 2.5 centimeter, that is 5/2 centimeter. First question is, volume of only hemispherical end of the ice cream is what? So we need to find out the volume of this hemisphere only, and we know the volume of a hemisphere formula is 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, so we'll fill the value here. 2/3 pi is 22/7, r is 5/2 into 5/2 into 5/2 r cube. So here 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 11s are. So here it is 7 3s are 21, 2s are 42 will come, and 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125 into 11 will be 1375. Okay, this is centimeter cube. So from here you can see our option is B option is correct here. Now the second part is the volume of ice cream without hemispherical end. So it means without hemisphere means you have to find out the volume of the cone only. Okay, because without hemisphere is volume of cone only. So we know volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So this is 1/3 pi is 22/7, r square is 5/2 into 5/2, and h is here 9 centimeter. So here cancellation is 2 ones are 2 11s are 3 ones are 3 3s are 9. So niche here it is 7 2s are 14, and then 5 5s are 25, 7 3s are 75 into 11, it is 825/14 centimeter cube. So let's see which option is correct here. A option 825. Here D option is correct. Okay, so let's see the next part. The TSA of the cone is given by. So this cone, ice cream cones TSA. So TSA will be this CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere, that is TSA of this ice cream cone. So CSA of cone is pi RL and CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So let's see which option is correct. Pi RL, yes, plus 2 pi r square. So A option is correct here. Now next is the volume of the whole ice cream is. So volume of whole ice cream will be volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Okay, so we need to add these two options, these two answers we have to add, because this is volume of hemisphere, this is volume of cone. So if we add these two volumes, we'll get the volume of ice cream. So here I'm adding this for fourth part. 1375/42 plus 825/14. So here LCM is 42, so it becomes 1375 plus 14 3s are, so multiply 825 by 3, so you will get 2475. So if you add these, we get 3850/42. So if you will divide these, you will get, or you can simply divide 3850 by 42, we can get the mixed number, because here answer is given in the mixed number form. So it is going with 9 first of all, so it becomes 378 over, if you do minus here you become 7, then 70, 42 ones are 42, and here 28 is left. So mixed number will become here 42, okay, so it is 91 28 over 42, and these can be cancelled with 14 table. 14 2s are, 14 3s are, so 91 2 by 3 is the correct answer. So let's see which is the correct answer. 91 2 by 3. So first option is correct here. Okay, and the last is, during the conversion of a solid from one shape to another shape, the volume of new shape will, you know, when we convert one solid to another solid by just reshaping that, then volume remains constant, or volume remains unchanged, unaltered. So it is the right answer. The volume remains the same, remains unaltered. So this way we will solve this case study based question. Thanks for watching.